Hello folks. So in this video I'm going to cover how do we do addition of two matrices as well as subtraction of two matrices. Alright, so let's create two matrices first. Okay, so mat1, let us say matrix 1 is np dot array, and we can define this as, let us say, 0 1 4 7. Okay, and similarly we will create another matrix. Okay, so matrix 2 5 8 3 9. Okay, so these are our two matrices. Now we want to add these two matrices. So how can we add the two matrices? So add two matrices, and how can we add it? We will write the command something like np dot add, and then we'll give the names of the matrix which we created earlier. Right, so matrix 1 and matrix 2. Press shift enter. Looks like some error here. Type error, data type not understood. Oh, okay, forgot to include square brackets. All right, so now you can see that the addition is done here, correct? So you can see, for brevity purpose we can show it like so. 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 8 is 9, 4 plus 3 is 7, and then 7 plus 9 is 16. So you can see the addition of two matrices here. Now if you want to subtract one matrix from another, subtract one matrix from another, then we will use the command like np dot subtract. Okay, press shift enter, and you will see the result here, right? So you can very well see that 0 minus 5 is minus 5, 1 minus 8 is minus 7, 4 minus 3 is 1, and then 7 minus 9 is minus 2. So it is giving the right results here. So guys, this is it for this video. Please keep on watching for the next upcoming videos. So thank you.